Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. We're on our 2021 Grady-White 330 Express. This boat is optioned out the way that you want it. First of all, it's got the triple 300 Yamahas on it, and those are also equipped with the Helm Master joystick piloting. It's going to make getting into the dock super easy for you at the end of the day. Got a hot and cold water shower on the starboard side as you come through the transom door there. We did order this boat with the refrigerated fish box on the transom, so you don't have to lug a bunch of ice down onto the boat. Just set that at 32 degrees if you want to freeze your fish, or put it at 35 degrees if you just want it as a refrigerator. Great option on the 330 Express. You got two live wells here, nice big live wells. If you only need one, they also double as a cooler because they're insulated. This has got the Sure Shade electric top. You can't see it very good probably in the video, but up on top of the hard top, you've got an electric shade that's going to come out. It's going to shade the whole cockpit for you. Tons of room on the dash. Nice big electronics box up top. Plenty of headroom. One of the nice things about the 336 Canyon is that the T-top on it is really wide. For a 33-foot boat, well, this whole boat is wide for a 33-footer. You're going to notice how much space you got on here compared to a lot of our competition. Three nice wide seats here at the helm. The ergonomics is perfect with this boat. You stand here, your hands fall right in place where they're supposed to. Again, your joystick piloting on this. This boat has also got the Seakeeper stabilizer in it. If you haven't ridden a boat with a Seakeeper stabilizer, it's a game changer. It takes 50, 60, 70% of the roll out of the boat. Call me for a test ride. My name is Grant. I'm with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida.